hope Ike isn't right. I hope all the greedy bastards get lined up and shot. I hope that dog stops barking. I hope I'm the last one left. I hope I can hold on to my front teeth and right eye. I hope the nights and memories I forgot will one day return when I'm old and insecure. I hope my words speak real truth, whether drunk or sober. To be continued.
That was the Moods with Hope, and I don't really hope our soul goes to China. Well, I do, because I know it's going to be a life-changing thing for him. But, you know, he's just a great lad, and I really do love him to death. Right, I got a message today off my mate, Steve Kingston at the Salford Star. He said to me, Williams, he said, you got competition, Worsley Radio is springing up. And I said, Steve, I said, that's absolutely amazing. I said, that proves that people are getting fed up with mainstream radio. And like I say, I wish them, and us at the Sounds of Salford, wish Worsley Radio every success in the world, because like I said, it just goes to show that people are getting fed up with mainstream radio. People, you know, this is why I set this radio station up, because all the music we play tonight have been local bands, and they're just not getting the airplay. And like I say, as long as these bands and this music like this coming out of the Northwest, I will play this sort of music, because this music to me is absolutely amazing. Coming up next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw another poem on by J.B. Barrington's Spanish Dolls, because this just reminds me of like when you go on your holidays and you buy all that tat and all that, and you know, it just sums it up perfect. And this is why he's the best poet that has ever come out of Salford.
The old sideboard that once was the radiogram, with ornaments in pride of place from every seaside town, and a mouse was harassed in a green brandy glass by a cat peering over looking down. Was it Radio Reynolds, Radio 1 or Radio Luxembourg that as we choke in a room full of smoke played the tunes that we hadn't heard? And the flamenco Spanish senorita dolls on the mantelpiece, a gift from Spain, they watched the pulmonary vein fill up with chip pan grease. Was it World in Action, World of Sport, or Walden's Weekend World, and a midweek thrill from Benny Hill and them semi-naked girls, and a version of The Crying Boy Cried Upon the Wall, and next to the Pope hung up with rope with St. Peter and St. Paul? Was it cancer, emphysema, or a massive heart attack, and the smell of flowers in the final hours turned out all dressed in black, and stripping through the wallpaper with sweat and gritted teeth, where wedding vows and 1,000 rounds reveal the love underneath, and the flamenco Spanish senorita dolls on the mantelpiece have all but gone, except for one which sits inside of me.
That was J.B. Barrington with Spanish Dolls. The way he does it with words is absolutely amazing. Right, let's get one of my favourites on. There you go. Let's get the lad on from the eye. Yes, well, not the eye, it's from Lancaster Road. Let's throw Red Venom on. This song has been used in absolutely all sorts. Sky Sports, everything. You name it, it's been used. And you know what? It's not even in it. And you know what? It should be. It's Red Venom.
Well, there goes Callie and her friend Sally. inside the deli, but still you're acting alien. Won't you tell me what's up? Let's walk to the bar and do the beat street strut. It's like jazz, y'all, the cool jazz, y'all, the smooth jazz, y'all, to keep it moving in the dance hall. Jazz, y'all, the cool jazz, y'all, the smooth jazz, y'all, to keep it moving in the dance hall. Let's get it on. And let the band play on. Break it down. I'm not no Casanova, I'm just quick to move over. And if the girl disappeared, I told her to drop a roller. And you're always talking about, oh damn, I'm a man, but you don't understand. The girl Roxanne, oh, Renee, she was giving her body away, but it was back in the days when Mary was bugging. And there is Judy, she's got a nice booty. Fucking boys say that she's a real fly cutie. Fly jazz, y'all, the cool jazz, y'all, the smooth jazz, y'all, to keep it moving in the dance hall. Jazz, y'all, the cool jazz, y'all, the smooth jazz, y'all, to keep it moving in the dance hall. Let's get it on. And let the band play on. Let's take it back to the old school hop. I'll break it down now. Venom, ha 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 ha. Let's get it on. Venom, ha 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 ha. And let the band play on. Venom, ha 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 ha. Let's get it on, get it on. Venom. Venom.
That was Red Venom with Let's Get It On. Right, I'm coming to the end of the show now. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish off with Andy Bean, Me and Your Mother, and Falling to Pieces, the Dump song. Yes, Population One song. And I play that to myself. Why? Because I'm feeling all dumped all of a sudden. Right, I hope tonight you've enjoyed the sounds of Salford. And all I can say tonight is every single song on this show tonight has been a local band, unsigned. And you know what? What great music we've got out there tonight. And this is the sounds that are coming from the northwest of England. I just hope tonight you've enjoyed this show. If you have, throw us a like on the Facebook page. If you haven't, you've listened to Radio 4 or something.
Talking about the things that you'd like to do. If you had the time on your hands and the money to spend, you'd never be looking back again to the time you were mine. That would be so funny, 'cause that's what you are. Young and free, you're a superstar. Well, your mother should discover one another and be lovers.
I've been drunk, I've been sunk, I've been a liar, and I've been dumped. Now I'm falling to pieces, falling to pieces in your arms. I've been on top of the world, and I've been under a spell. I've been taking the punches, now I'm falling to pieces in your arms. Do you feel sunk, shrunk, inspired, a little drunk? Can you spare all the speeches while I'm falling to pieces in your arms? I'm in love with you, girl, but I've been under a spell. My time with the leashes, now I'm falling to pieces in your arms. I'm in love with you, girl, but I've been under a spell. Can you pull all the punches while I'm falling to pieces in your arms? Da-da-dum, 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 da-da-dum. I've been dumped, I've been sunk, I've been a liar, and I'm still drunk.